I'm Matilda.
Sorry?
Matilda, doing a YouTube
Matilda.
film.
Matilda. Where are you from, Matilda? The area?
Yeah, the area.
Beautiful. You know what I'm doing?
Making pasta?
I don't know. I don't know yet. I was asking to you. I don't know.
What type of pasta do you reckon you're making?
I have no clue. Okay. With the pasta, it's like a toy. Okay? Doesn't mean you can do everything you want. Okay? You can invent everything you want. Okay? Just now I put some flour. Okay? A little bit of semolina, some egg and some milk. Okay? Now I'm going to cut a little bit of parsley, a little bit of parsley. I'm going to put everything inside. And I'm going to make it in pasta. We're going to make some scialatielli. Scialatielli is something, some kind of pasta that we do in the south of Italy, you know, from Napoli. We use it for, you know, for the seafood pasta, or you can use it with the courgette and smoked cheese or something like that. Okay?
La pasta è cruda quando si vede la trasparenza.
That's completely different from what you do. Okay?
Passiamo l'ultima volta perché poi diventa dura.
Take some basil. Where's the let's all the gardener there, I know they're gonna kill me, you know, say, don't touch my plant, don't touch my plant, don't touch my plant. Un coltello un pochettino più bellino, non ce l'abbiamo, vero? Un coltello un po' più bellino. No?
You see the difference when you see the hands behind. This is the way. Yeah.
Let's go. Dammi il coltellino.
Ti serve il coltello?
Please. Allora, the reason why we cut the basil like that because also we're going to use it right away. Okay, usually when you cut the basil, something so stupid but so important. You need to be very delicate, you know, because after, you know, the basils go very black very easily. Okay, but just because we're going to use in the pasta, we don't care anyway. Okay. I like cook like I do at home, you know, at home I don't need to show to anybody. It doesn't mean the way I do it, that's it. Oh. Next time che la scattivo la be high, no, lì non è.
Che si mangia forse, la della bolognese.
Sembra napolitano.
Sembra napolitano, te scherzi.
Okay, the good thing is all the pasta, you know what is the problem, then just in case you are in a way, then there is no fork or something like that, you can use your hands. Okay?
A real chef always uses his
Don't tell anybody, don't tell anybody. After they want to know what done with, you know. So lavorarla, vedo.
Giuseppe,
Sì.
what are you doing with your pasta?
Just to the tagliatelle, the flour and eggs the proportion is always 1 kilo to 8 eggs, depends on the eggs. You can use a little bit more eggy, and the trick is if we want the color of the pasta a little bit more yellow, you can using turmeric, which they have not a lot of flavor, but they get
Olive oil.
yeah. Olive oil, yeah. Bravo. Facciamo il Antonio, lo facciamo. Sì, sì.
Boys, if you need a helper,
That's it.
Come on here.
We always need
Come this way.
come this way, come this way.
The other side, sorry.
A round of applause for our helper.
Matilda. Yeah? You know there's a song. Na 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 na. Matilda. Na 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 na. Matilda, touch the clean hands. Okay. Are you Matilda mother? Okay. Touch. Look how soft it is. Yeah? Okay. Allora, the pasta, you don't need to be delicate, okay?
Yeah.
You need to have a set when you have a set with your mom. Mom, leave me alone. You know, I had enough of you. You know, I look forward to leave my house and everything. That's what you do with the pasta. You know, because if you do it like that, you know,
Yeah.
okay, mom, I love you. You know, these other things. It's not true. No, that's me. Yeah, that's it. Work it out. Work it out. Work it out.
Is your mom here?
Yes, the lady.
I just think I do like it very
Would
much.
she to give you the wooden spoon so that you can eat?
You need to try to make it. If you do something, look, at least you can do it well, okay? And I show you, okay? Come on, come pasta, you work out the pasta. See the pasta? Okay, harder than you can. Okay, that's it. See? Throw the flour underneath it, it will work out better. Okay, and semolina. Okay? Beautiful. Don't just go around it, you don't make a pizza. Okay, you make pasta. It's two different things. Okay? Now, when is like this one, okay? What you can do, this one is called mattarello. You know what's called mattarello? Okay, with mattarello, you put sunflower underneath, yeah? Okay? Mattarello. You know my mom used to do this one?
Split exactly.
You used to run in the house, me in the front, the hair in the back with this one. You know, catch me. Catch me. Okay, with the mattarello, do it like that. Okay? Right. We're going to look like the scialatielli, okay? The scialatielli pasta is 1 centimeter, half centimeter high. Doesn't mean no without the level of the pasta. Okay, this one, you make a good pasta, okay? You make something like that. You let it relax a bit. Let's stay for half an hour. That's it. Don't get too fast. Don't get emotional because the people are watching you. You need to watch your finger, not the people. Okay? Okay, 1 second. Okay. You see, when you're working, you get complicated because you got lots of pasta around here. See, you never cut properly. Okay? Doesn't mean you need to make sure that you cut properly. You put a little semolina. Doesn't mean the pasta doesn't going to get touched. I'm going to put it like that. You see? Okay, just always make sure then you cut the pasta, or it's going to get touched. Okay? Okay. Continue. Do the rest. You think you're finished? You can dance? Do you know how to dance? Yeah? Let me show me dance. Yeah, relax. In the kitchen, relax. Very good. That's more break dance.
Vita bella, tarantella. Another 5, 6.
When you go home, you become put this one in a tray, okay, with a little bit of flour, okay?
Yeah.
Lay out, okay?
Yeah.
Put a little bit in the freezer,
Yeah.
You have to be
a little bit in the freezer.
passing.
When they are harder, okay, you put boil the water, 2 seconds inside, and after with tomato sauce or something like that.
Brilliant, thank you.
And you can try it, okay?
Thank you.
Listen, darling, I'll leave this one to you.
Thank you.
You're my